distant hum, a lonely drone. Marble halls, I walk alone. Keys still warm, a phantom touch. Tears are turned, they ask too much. Glass reflects a sleeping town. No one here to wear the crown. One screen closes silently. Unread words stare back at me. A digital tide I can't ignore while hoofbeats echo on the floor. Oh, the echo on the 14th floor, asking me to stay, asking for more. Regal strike, silent guest, putting silence to the test. City lights begin to gleam, living out a waking dream. Security blinks a polite hello, no badge to swipe, nowhere to go. Elevators wait, doors ajar beneath a distant fading star. Each empty desk a vacant throne, this kingdom is now my own. One screen closes silently, unread words stare back at me. A digital tide I can't ignore while hoofbeats echo on the floor. Oh, the echo on the 14th floor, asking me to stay, asking for more. Regal stride, a silent guest, putting silence to the test. City lights begin to gleam, living out a waking dream. A potted plant, a splash of green. I pause to sniff a fleeting scene, then press ahead. The path is clear, no human voice, no sound of fear. Into the lift, the doors now close on empty rooms where no one goes. The city wakes, a vibrant hue, leaving the silence, me and you. My hoofbeats fade, a distant sound.